Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to reset Windows 11 power plan to default. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the start. Here type control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, go to the view by to the large icons, from categories to large icons. Here we find many options. Here we find power options. Click on the power options. In power option, here we find preferred plan. If balanced, then go to the balanced. If power saver, then go to the power saver. My plan is balanced, so I go to the change of plan settings. Click at here, change of plan settings. Here we find many options. Go to the last option, restore default settings for this plan. Click on restore default settings for this plan. Click on the yes, and your plan is reset to default settings in a power plan. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.